Good morning. Area of quadrilateral. In the previous class, I explained one question. Today, one more question. See the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. This is the diagonal. AC is the diagonal of the quadrilateral. Okay. This is the height 1. It means H1. This is H1. H1. This is the one more height. This is called H2. H2. What are the names? E and F. Here the measurements are. Here in ABCD quadrilateral. In ABCD quadrilateral, diagonal B is equal to 13 centimeters. Heights H1 equal to H1. This is equal to 2 centimeters. H2 equal to, this is H2. H2 equal to 4 centimeters. Now, area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. Area equal to 1 by 2 into H1 plus H2 into D. This is the formula. Half 1 by 2 of H1 plus H2 into D of D. 1 by 2 of, what is the H1? 2 plus H2 4 into, what is D? 13. That's equal to 1 by 2 R into 6 into 13. These two cancel here 3 times. 3 into 13, 39 centimeters square or square centimeters. Okay, one more question. One more question. This is a quadrilateral named P, Q, R, S. This is one more quadrilateral. This is the diagonal. This is called diagonal. One more diagonal is there. Whatever it may be, this is the diagonal. Okay. In PQRS diagonal, PQRS quadrilateral, quadrilateral in PQRS quadrilateral, diagonal D equal to 10 centimeters. This is the length of 10 centimeters. This is one of the H1 or H2. This is one of the height. This is one more height. Heights. H1 is equal to, this is H1. This is T, this is U. H1. H1 equal to 5 centimeters. H2 equal to 8 centimeters. Now, area, same formula. Half into H1 plus H2 into D. D means diagonal. That's equal to 1 by 2 of H1 plus H2. What is H1? 5 plus H2 8 into D. What is D? 10 centimeters. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 13 into 10. 5 plus 8, 13 into 10. 2 cancel here 5 times. 13 into 5, 65 centimeters square or square centimeters. Next figure. After the quadrilateral, first of all, trapezium. Second, quadrilateral. Third one, rhombus. Third one, rhombus. How to find rhombus, area of the rhombus? How to find area of the rhombus? Okay. This is the rhombus. A, B, C, D. This is a rhombus. This is one of the diagram. This is another diagram. AC is one of the diagonal and BD is one more diagonal. Here two diagonals are given. In ABCD rhombus, in ABCD rhombus, diagonals D1 equal to, it means one of the diagonal D1. D1 is equal to 10 centimeters. Next, D2 equal to 8.4 centimeters. These are the measures. Okay, once again, this is one of the diagonal. This length is 10 centimeters. This is one more diagonal D2, that is 8.4 centimeters. Now, area is equal to half D1 D2 or D1 D2 by 2. D1 D2 by 2. Any formula, both are equal. Half D1 D2 or D1 D2 by 2. Both are equal. Now 1 by 2 into D1 means 10 into D2 means 8.4. Now these two cancel here 5 times. Multiply 8.4 with 5. 8.4 to 5. 5 4s are 20. 42.0. It means 42 centimeters square or square centimeters.